So how do I use it? Always refer to the label, but here are some pointers to get you started. Treat turf before it is subjected to drought or traffic stress. CIVITAS Turf Defense is a preventative, not a curative product. It will not have an effect on turf that is already dormant. The plant needs to be actively growing. Only treat well-hydrated turf. Many of our customers spray after an irrigation cycle or rain event. Treat CIVITAS Turf Defense much like you would a wetting agent. Be aware that CIVITAS Turf Defense can amplify the effects of other tank mix partners, both positively and negatively. Be cautious with the high rates of DMIs, herbicides, fertilizers, etc. It works well with plant growth regulators, herbicides, fungicides, and fertilizers. Just do so in moderation while getting used to these improved effects. Rates and intervals. For a drought program, start the program about 2 to 4 weeks prior to the anticipated drought conditions. Spray at the 8.5 ounce rate and adjust the interval based on 2 major factors: the growth rate of the turf and the mowing height.